Number of people playing a new phone app game triples every month. When the app first launched, 800 people started playing the game right away. There are currently 194,400 people playing the game. Write an equation to represent the situation and determine the number of months T that have passed since the app launched. First, I want to focus on this word triples. First thing this tells me is this is a growth problem instead of a decay problem. So growth problem instead of decay means we're going to be using this formula right here. But tripling tends to give students a little bit of trouble. So I'll take a sidebar here just for a second. If I said, what is 100% of, let's pick an easy number, 2. 100% of 2 is, of course, just 2. Now let's take, what about 200% of 2? What's 200% of 2? Well, that's just 4. We've just doubled that number, or taken 200% of the number. So then finally, what we're after, what is 300% of 2? Well, 300% of 2 is 6. Or in other words, we've just tripled that number. We've taken 2 and we've multiplied it by 300 divided by 100. It's still a percentage, so we still divide it by 100. So this tells me in this problem that we're tripling. This value on the inside of the parentheses is going to be 3. So that means we can rule out choice B, we can rule out choice D. All these other ones have the same A value of 800. That should make sense. 800 is our initial value. T is the number of months in this problem. So that goes in the variable spot. And instead of putting y equals in the front, they put y equals at the back, and they have 194,400. So it's between these two. The question wants us to figure out what value of t makes this equation true. So the choices are either 5 or 11. We could use logarithms to solve this. I don't think we've covered that yet. So I think the easiest way is to work this problem backwards. So I'm going to type in the equation 800 parentheses 3 raised to the, we'll call it the x power. Actually, no, not the x power. This is where we're going to substitute, look at answer choice A, we're going to substitute 5 for that x variable. If it equals 194,400, then 5 is the answer. It does. So the answer choice for this problem is A. Just remember, when you are tripling, you are taking 300% of a number.